Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the thermostat, the one you see right here. This was unfortunately tripping the machine, tripping, and it was in the machine got hot. And now as you can see the machine, it's pretty hot. You can see the steam coming out, the amount of steam coming out from the boiler. We already had the machine running out for quite a while to make sure that it wasn't dripping or anything, using it intermittently. So it hasn't dripped break or anything. This one was the culprit of it, and you can kind of see some kind of corrosion in there on the bottom. This part was is attached like this, the machine, and we will not be able to see this part until we remove it. But thankfully we did, and that was what's causing the machine to not heat. So can we watch the espresso and test it out? As you can see, it's pretty fast because I completely didn't tamper correctly the way I should have tampered. Unfortunately, yeah, as you can see, it's just barely tampered, and it doesn't have a lot. But you can see the power check, the machine going perfectly